Hello everyone, wanted to pull up real quick and acknowledge the recent 1,000 subscriber milestone that the channel achieved, and most importantly I want to thank you for all of your views, your likes, your shares, your input and feedback, your subscriptions, but most importantly your time. And they say time is money, but the older you get it seems like that time's actually priceless, and that's how it feels. And I know that you can be doing pretty much anything with your valuable time, but the fact that you choose to spend it, some of it watching my videos, I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. So, wanted to thank you for helping me grow the channel and, make my way here into the YouTube community, and also to share some changes that are going to be coming to the channel, and I think you'll like them based on the input and the feedback, which again, thank you so much for providing that. First change is going to be the teardown inspection videos. As you've noticed, I've been posting some kind of fast forward style versions of those videos, and the feedback's been not great, which is really good because it helps me understand what I need to do and where I might need to course correct. So going forward, all teardown inspection videos will be full length, and I'll get into all the requisite detail, kind of talk through inspection points, as well as provide an overview of the history of the unit that I'm working on, as well as key changes and important considerations for rebuilds. So and do it in a way that you can understand what I'm saying. So this way, you, the viewer, will have the discretion and the empowerment to more or less watch whatever portions you would like, and fast forward if you want to, and jump around as you see fit. So the ones that are out there on the channel now, the fast forward versions, I don't know if I'm gonna keep them there or take them off, but I will not be uploading any more of them. Second change I'm going to make is the scope of the channel itself. I've decided I want to limit this channel completely and exclusively to transmission building, or maybe like transfer cases and things like that, but anything related to gears, and put all the other auto repair related work that I'm doing on a separate parallel channel. So if folks are interested, I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can check that stuff out on there. The videos that are like that on the channel now, I'm going to leave up for, I would say, probably another 30 days from now, and then after that I'm gonna remove them so that this channel is dedicated 100% purely to transmission work. Those same videos will be available on the other parallel channel, and you can watch them at any time there, and I'll continue to upload content as I create it. So as far as upcoming transmission builds, we're going to be doing a 204R, 700R4. We have a 6L80E, an Allison LTC 1000, and I'm also probably going to do a 5R110 pretty soon. So those are interesting units, a lot of changes, a lot of nuance with them, and I'm kind of looking forward to that. And then likewise with the Allisons, they're just gigantic and very interesting in their own right, so eager to dig in there as well. But anyway, just wanted to share that quick update, and once again, thank you all so much for all your views, your likes, your engagement, your conversations and comments, feedback and input, your subscriptions, and as I said, most importantly, your time. So till we meet again on the next one, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.